Hello my dear, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Myself Mrs. Santosh Arora. Students, today we will learn how to write J. J for Joker, J for Jug, J for Jasmine, J for Jackfruit. So let us start how to write J. J. J for Jasmine, J for Jackfruit. Jasmine means chameli ka फूल, jackfruit कटल. कटल is a name of vegetable. Okay, J for jug भी होता है. Okay, classwork day 153. Trace and write the small letter J. Trace करना है और हमें small letter J लिखना है. Let us start. Take the pencil and keep your pencil here. Then go up slowly, then come down, then move. Now dot. Now it has become J. Okay, again watch it carefully. Go up, come down, then move, then dot. J for jug, J for jasmine, J for jackfruit. You can say J for joker also. Okay, J for jug, J for joker, J for jasmine, J for jackfruit. Okay, write it carefully. J for joker, J for jasmine, J for jackfruit. It is very easy to make. It is very easy to write. Okay, J for jug, J for jasmine, J for joker, J for jackfruit. Speak and write always. J for joker. 2 lines as a classwork and 1 line as a homework. You have to write carefully, neat and clean. Okay. Worksheet number 1. Say the name of each picture. Tick the picture that begin with the letter J. Say the name of each picture. आपको हर पिक्चर का नेम बोलना है. टिक द पिक्चर दैट बिगिन विद द लेटर J. और उस पिक्चर पर टिक करना है जिसपे जो J से स्टार्ट होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट इज दिस? It is a jam. It is a jam. It is starting from J. That's why we will tick here. What is this? She is a girl. It is not starting with J, so we will not tick here. What is this? It is an aeroplane, so we will not tick here. What is this? It is a juice, so we will not tick here. What is this? It is a jeep. It is starting from J, so we will tick here. What is this? It is an octopus. It is not starting with J, so we will not tick here. What is this? It is an ant. It is also not starting with J, so we will not tick here also. Number 2. Circle the words that begin with the letter J. जो भी वर्ड्स इसमें हैं जो J से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं, हमें उस पर सर्कल करना है. लेट अस स्टार्ट. JAM, jam. So it is starting from J, so we will circle here. JUG, jug. It is also starting from J, that's why we will circle here. It is also So we will also circle here. It is also J here. So we will also circle here. This is also, we will circle here. It is also starting from J, that's why we will circle here. ये J से start हो रहे हैं. देखो, look at this words. J से start हो रहे हैं सब. So we will circle here. Now look at this word. It is not starting from J, so we will not circle here. Now look at this word. It is starting from J, so we will circle here. It is not starting from J, we will not circle here. It is also not starting with J, that's why we will not circle here. It is also and it is also. ये J से स्टार्ट नहीं हो रहे तो हम इस पर सर्कल नहीं करेंगे. जो वर्ड J से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं सिर्फ उन्हीं पर ही हम सर्कल करेंगे. Now I have explained you how to write J. J कैसे बनाना है, कहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है, कैसे मूव करना है, totally I have explained you. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe. Neat and clean वर्क करना है, सुंदर वर्क करना है. 3 days प्रैक्टिस जरूर करनी है. ओके, बाय.